Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I come up with a classic rotational dynamics problem. What if I change the angle of an inclined plane but keep its length the same? Will a rolling sphere reach the bottom faster or slower? And can you solve this in under 10 seconds? Let's find out. A solid sphere rolls without slipping from the top of an inclined plane of length, L. First, the angle is 30 degrees, and the speed at the bottom is v1. Then, the angle is increased to 45 degrees, keeping the length same, and the new speed is v2. We need to find the ratio v1 square to v2 square. Is it A, 1 is to 2, B, 1 is to under root 3, C, 1 is to 3, or D, 1 is to under root 2? Most students immediately think that this physics problem can be solved with energy conservation with rolling motion. But it is time-consuming method. However, here's Topper's super fast and very easy trick. Instead of energy, we'll use a pure kinematic shortcut. As we know, v squared minus u squared is equals to 2al. For a rolling sphere, initial velocity is 0. Hence, v squared is equals to 2al. The sphere starts from rest, and the length L is same, so velocity of square is proportional to acceleration. That means just compare accelerations. For rolling without slipping, acceleration on an incline is equals to a g sin theta upon 1 plus I by mr squared. In this case, only variable for a solid sphere is sine theta. And since square of velocity is proportional to acceleration, we can write v1 square upon v2 square is equals to sine theta, 1 upon sine theta 2. Sine theta 1 will be sine 30 degrees, and sin theta 2 will be sine 45 degrees. Let's apply the value of inclination angle and calculate basic math. So final answer is v1 square upon v2 square is equals to a 1 by root 2. If this shortcut saved you time, hit like. And if you want more such type of physics explained with visuals, subscribe and share this with your study partner.